Hi guys.
Hi guys! This is an empty cup. So if I flip this cup, but if it was with water, you can probably imagine what would happen.
I know.
Alright? So if I take this cup and I put this on here, whee, it falls. The same situation, but now we got some water in it.
And
This is on TikTok.
squeeze the cup.
This is on TikTok.
It's on TikTok?
Yeah.
That just shows you how cool I am, I guess.
You should have honestly squeezed the cup.
Trust science? You want to stand under it?
No.
Anybody trust it?
I trust
Arnold.
science.
Sorry.
Bro, what do you want?
You trust science?
Come on, Evan. Squeeze it.
I'm not gonna squeeze it.
Are you gonna speak?
No. Okay, it started getting a little bit shaky. All right, so that's pretty cool. A little trick to that, if you want to do it, like if you want to pull a prank on your little sister or something. Well, besides squeezing it, what you do,
Put a hole in the cup.
there you go. What you do is you punch a small hole in the cup, and as long as you take your finger and you cover up that hole with your finger, it'll still work. But as soon as you let go of your finger, it'll collapse. Now the problem is for me to be able to see it.
You know where you put it?
No,
Nope. Squeeze it.
Uh-oh.
I kind of forgot to look. All right, I think I got it.
You think?
Let's go stab it with a jackhammer.
Okay, so if I have it like this and then I let go of the hole, it
It
starts.
ain't working.
I didn't make the hole big enough, I don't think. All right, here we go. Let's try that again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, see that?
I want to put a
Okay, so that's pretty good. So there you go. That's a fun activity for you.